What's up? Good evening mga ka-ultra. So, turuan ko kayo paano ako nag-edit. So, madali lang siya. Copyright na music. So, number one, lagay nyo yung galing Audiate. So, pag ito yung speech na generate ko galing Gemini. Tapos, kailangan natin siyang lagyan ng inspirational speech music. Yan, pantayin nyo lang to. Split. So, pag pinlay natin to,
imagine you're thirsty, chasing
lost naman.
energy is like desperately running around, searching for every single water fountain, feeling frantic and depleted. You might find some water, but the process is stressful and leaves you feeling drained. Attracting energy, on the other hand, is like creating an
Yan, pwede na natin lagyan ng video. So, galing halimbawa ito. And kukunti lang kasi yung video natin pwedeng gamitin dyan. So, ito kasi pang TikTok. Yan. Tapos, basic, lagyan natin ng kulay. Tapos, lagyan natin ng caption. Babain nyo lang yan. Sabay, ganyan na yung mangyayari dyan. So, maglo-loading siya.
Imagine you're thirsty. Chasing energy is like desperately running around, searching for every single water fountain. Feeling frantic and depleted. You might find some water, but the process is stressful and leaves you feeling drained. Attracting energy, on the other hand,
Tapos, render na natin. Vertical. So, file name. Stop chasing. So, ganyan ko ginagawa yung video ko. So, I hope may natutunan kayo ngayong araw at salamat sa panonood. To the stars in harmony, this is Vince Ultra, your virtual assistant for the day. Thank you.